Hello everyone, this is the next part of Unit 4 Operator in Java. In the previous video, we will discuss about the operator and different types of operator, arithmetic operator, unary operator. But in this video, discuss about the binary operator or ternary operator. In the binary operator, different types of operator, and the ternary operator discuss about the syntax and the some question related to the ternary operator. So let's start the binary operator. Here is a binary operator. In a unary operator there is only one operand, but in a binary operator there is two operand. Two operand, that means the operation will be performed between two operand. This is called operand. This is a operand. A and B are operand. The operation will be performed between two operand. Here is the value of A is 13 and the value of B is 2. So binary addition operator A plus B. What is the value of A plus B? That means 13 plus 2. So the answer is 15. This is the answer and this is the first operator. So the next operator is subtraction. How we can subtract? That means 13 minus 2, that is 11. This is the subtraction. Then multiplication, binary multiplication or multiplication, A into B, that means 13 into 2. Here is 13 into 2. This is the into sign, multiply sign. The answer is 26. Then division. Division, A divided by B. Here we can show the divide operation. Here suppose 13 divided by 2. So 2 6 ja 12, remainder is 1. Here the quotient is 6. Quotient is 6 and the remainder is 1. This is the remainder, this is a quotient. Here is a two operator is left. First one is division and the second one is modulus or remainder. So in the division we have to write the quotient value. So the answer is 13 divided by 2. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. But in the modulus, this is a modulus operator. This is not a percent sign in a computer, in a programming language. This is called a modulus operator. It give the remainder. It give remainder. It give remainder. Here A divided by B. A modulus B. That means 13 modulus 2. Here we divide the 13 modulus 2. So the remainder of this division is 1. So the output of that question, is 1. Output is 1. This is the difference between modulus sign and divide sign. It gives the quotient, it take a quotient and it take a remainder. This is the example of binary operator and the different types of binary operator. It works between two operands. Let's see the third type of arithmetical operator. This is the third type of arithmetical operator, that is ternary operator. This is the third type of arithmetical operator. In the ternary operator, it is also called a conditional operator. Ternary operator, it is also called a conditional operator. Conditional operator, that means based on a condition. It based on a condition. It operate in three operand. In the previous video I am already discussed about the ternary operator. It take a three operand. Unary take one operand, binary take two operand, ternary take three operand, that means three variable. So how we can use and how we can write this ternary operator? So here is I am written here is the syntax. Firstly, this is the syntax. Here is a variable that is store any value. I am already told that this is a conditional operator. Conditional operator, so in this operator condition is compulsory. So first is a condition. This is a condition. This is a question mark we put. Why we put question mark? Because we don't know this condition is true or false. We don't know this condition is true or false. Here is a condition, so it is give only two value. First one is true or false. But after the question mark there is a two expression. There is expression 1 and the expression 2. This is a colon sign. This is a colon sign. expression 1 and expression 2. If this test condition is true, if this test condition is true, then it go to the expression 1. That means if the condition is true, the variable is expression 1. If the condition is false, go to the second expression. If the condition is false, then variable is expression 2. This is the output. If this is a true condition and this is a false condition. This is a false condition. This is true condition and this is the false condition. This is the syntax of ternary operator. Let's see the example of related to the ternary operator to better understanding. Here is a one example. Here is a two variable, a equal to 5, b equal to 3. So what is the value of max? We have to find the value of max. Here, firstly, this is a test condition. Here is a firstly test condition. So this is a test condition. So let's check the condition is true or false. Put a value of a. The value of a is 5. So here we write 5 greater than value of b is 3. This is true or false? 5 is greater than 3. Tell them. This is true or false? 5 greater than 3. So 5 is always greater than 3. That means this is a true. And what about true? If the condition is true, then variable equal to expression 1. This is the condition is true. This is the expression 1 and this is the expression 2. If the condition is true, that means the expression 1. So the max equal to expression 1. What is the value of expression 1? That means a. So the answer of max is a. This is the answer. The answer of max is a. Let's see the next question. A equal to 5, b equal to 3. What is the value of mean? Here, value of b is 3 greater than 5. Here, a and b. This is the expression 1. This is the expression 2. If this condition is true, this go to the expression 1. If this condition is false, go to the expression 2. This is the expression 2. So 3 greater than 5. This is true or false? 3 is always greater than 5 or not? So no, this is a false because 3 is not greater than 5. 3 is less than 5. So it is a wrong. Wrong that means no. No that means false. If the condition is false, then go to the next expression 2. The expression 2 is b. So the value of mean is b. This is the answer. For the more question related to the ternary operator, we can make a more video, and in the next video we will discuss about the question related to ternary operator and converted into if else or predict the output or AND. For watching my more video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.